Now, I would like to invite Naman Mehta from Delhi Public Elementary School, Indore, for his presentation on harnessing wind energy by windmills installed on highways.
Thank you, Nikita. A very warm and pleasant morning to honorable dignitaries, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Naman Mehta with my teammate Yatharth Chaubey. We are here to give presentation on our topic, harnessing electricity by wind energy. First, let us understand what is wind energy. Wind energy is one of the non-conventional form of energy and it is available in effluent. The amount of wind flows depends on various factors such as rotation speed of earth and difference in temperature of places. Energy produced by this blowing of wind is called as wind energy. This presentation aims to educate us on utilizing this wind energy in the most effective manner to get the maximum electric output, and therefore highways are selected as our installation site where we can take the advantage of the moving vehicles from both the sides of the road. Mechanical working of wind turbine. Turbine is designed and fabricated as per the specifications. The blades use a semicircular shape and are connected to the disc which is connected to the shaft. Shaft is then coupled with pulley with the help of bearing, and then pulley is connected to the generator, which generates the power. Power generated due to rotation of wind turbine will be stored in battery and then can be used for street light, signal, or toll, etc. In this project, a small model has been made for demonstration purpose. This project also aims for maximum output with minimum cost in resources. P is the model which we have created for demonstration purpose, which we have presented in the science exhibition. Here, we have tree-like structured wind turbine attached to the dynamo. The wind turbine is placed in a divider such that the tangential acting airflow from both sides of the road due to moving vehicles will help the turbine to rotate. And when the turbine will rotate, the attached dynamo will generate electricity and then it can be stored in battery and then can be used for domestic purposes. Now, why to use non-conventional form of energy? About 68% of the production of electric energy is based on thermal power plant, where fossil fuels, diesel, coal are used for power generation. It is very short in supply and these fuels also creates pollution, greenhouse effect and global warming. Therefore, power generation with the help of non-conventional resource such as wind is increasing day by day. And this type of power generation is very clean and safe. Basically, there are two types of wind turbines, horizontal axis wind turbine and vertical axis wind turbine. We are recently working on vertical axis wind turbine due to its additional advantage over horizontal axis wind turbine that it does not require yaw mechanism because it can produce electricity independent of wind direction. Now I will hand over to Yatharth for further information.
Now we will be talking about the scientific principle involved in this presentation. A wind turbine converts wind energy into rotational energy by means of its blade. The basic principle of every wind turbine is to convert kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy, which is used to rotate the turbine of electrical generator to produce electricity. Wind turbine operate on simple principle. The energy in the wind turns 2 or 3 blades around a bearing. The bearing is connected to the main shaft, which spins generator to create electricity. In India, have world's second largest road network, has a total national highway length of 1,87 kilometers and state highways 1,31,899 kilometers. In particular, the state of Madhya Pradesh has national highway crossing the length of 3,714 kilometers, state highway of length of 8,728 kilometers. The increasing traffic will generate wind to create drag force. Now, you might be thinking, what is drag force? The force of lift is much stronger than the wind's force against the front side of the blade, which is called drag. The combination of lift and drag causes the rotor to spin like a propeller. Highways, roads have been laid in all the directions, south to north, west to east, south to west, to north to east, and vice versa. Every year, the country receives two monsoons, namely southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. The wind direction also changes to southwest to northeast direction during southwest monsoon and northeast to southwest direction during northeast monsoon. Therefore, we placing the wind turbine on the road, the monsoon of the country should be considered to harness maximum amount of wind energy. If the wind turbine is placed in such a way that the direction of the road and the monsoon wind direction are parallel, maximum amount of energy can be harnessed. The conclusion of our presentation is, in this work, our place turbine was designed for electrical generation, for which we have selected highways as our installation site for rural household application, which may decrease the use of non-conventional resource and increase the contribution of utilizing of renewable energy in all over India. Thank you for listening patiently, and I hope we will apply all these things, because we have to change our nation, we have to change our habits to change, develop things related to the nation's development.